ka ba nasaktan na palagi kang ninonominate para ma-evict?
Feeling ko po I would be lying if I said hindi ko nasaktan. Kasi back to back yung nomination ko. Nung first week pa lang yung nomination ko, I really broke down. It was a build-up of emotions. Nagsimula na po yan nung first year ko sa showbiz, when I was in lock-in for my first show. I felt the exact same treatment. The boys didn't like me. There was so many misconceptions and misunderstandings. I couldn't find friends even into showbiz, even after that. Parang hirap na ako kasi inuunahan nila ng impression na hindi nila ako kinikilala. And nung sinabi yung reasons kung bakit ako nominate, sabi ko kay Kuya, this was the only time that I really gave it my all. Makulit ako kasi that's me po eh. I just really expressed it. Tapos yun pa yung reason kung bakit ako na-nominate. As it continued, on the third one, that's when it really hit me. I went to the garden area, umiyak po ako kasi sabi ko, yung tingin ko po sa family namin sa bahay ni Kuya, it's really a family. Sabi ko sa kanila, I cherish you guys forever kasi I don't have many friends talaga. Masakit siya kasi parang, ano ba problema sa akin? I love them so much and parang I couldn't receive just one time na masave ako from nomination to make me feel na, well, Michael, we love you too.
Or is it because ang PBB